Leo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this month has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Eight of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Two of Pentacles. Person B has the Magician card, the Queen of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles. With this, we'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in this particular relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, what I'm seeing here is you have the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, now with Eight of Pentacles, it means that you understand that there's a lot of hard work that you need to put in order to take care of this relationship, or bring it back to the days where it was very nice between the two of you. So you will have to put in that effort, only then you can revive this relationship. Now the second and the third card is the Page of Cups and the Two of Pentacles. Page of Cups again is a very immature, childlike energy. However, with the Cups energy, it means that you have emotions for this person and you would like to express these emotions to your person. However, it will happen in a very immature manner. Now the next card that I see for you is Two of Pentacles, which means that there could be a situation where maybe you're juggling this relationship with your family life, or maybe you're juggling with another person, again totally depending on every person's individual circumstances. But there could be another thing wherein you'll have to devote time and attention, so you are trying to juggle both these situations at the same time. Now person B here, they have the Magician card, Queen of Swords, and Seven of Pentacles. Magician card is a major arcana. With that, this person is able to command the four elements to go ahead and do things that they want. Okay, so if you go to a magic show, you'll see that the magician shows you what he wants you to see. Okay, so that's the kind of energy that this person is in. However, this person also has Queen of Swords energy, which means that if in case you go ahead and initiate a conversation with them, please ensure that there's nothing that is hiding. Okay, there are no secrets, and this person expects you to tell them facts. If you hide something, they will rip you off. Okay, the next card that I see for this person is the Seven of Pentacles. With that, it means that they understand that there is a lot of patience required in order to take care of this relationship. Okay. Now, the mutual feeling that both of you have for this month is Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups means that you will walk away. Either you will totally walk away from this relationship, or you will walk away from those situations which were interfering with this relationship. Now let's quickly see what is the blockage in the relationship. That's the Sun card. Now that's a very positive card, but when it comes out in this position, it means that one person is not willing to share facts or tell the secrets that they are hiding. Now the Sun energy is when you have everything out in the open. Okay, everything is right in front of you and you can see things clearly. Okay, but when that becomes a blockage, it means that somebody is a little hesitant and doesn't want the other person to see everything or know everything. Okay, now let's see what is the outcome of the relationship. That's the Two of Swords, which means that there will be some kind of a situation where one person in this relationship will be a little confused because they have options. Okay, and they're not sure which one to select. Now let's also go ahead and quickly see what is the intention of this person. The first card is the Emperor card, the Three of Cups, and the Devil card. Now with the Emperor card, that's Aries energy. This person will lead the situation because they understand that with Three of Cups and Devil card, there's some kind of negative energy around them, and they need to take care of this in order to figure out how they want this relationship to move forward. Now let's also quickly see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for both of you. The message that I see is look at the bigger picture. So both of you need to look at the bigger picture to understand and plan things for the future. Let's quickly also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal is malachite. The crystal message is, what patterns in your life do you keep repeating? Walk in the inner labyrinth and find the higher spiritual purpose for your challenges and lessons. Discover and release the patterns that no longer serve you. Look for the emerging patterns of joy, harmony, and inner peace. Move forward in your evolutionary spiral upward. Now, there's also a message here from Archangel Raphael, which I put in the description box for you. You can read from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.